stereotype that girls have to do ballet and boys have to do rugby. It should be everyone's doing it all if that's what they want to do. I mean, everyone has probably done some sort of dancing. If you enjoy doing it, you should do it, and you shouldn't care what anyone else thinks.
Just performing on the stage has made me think I want to do something. Just performing, it's pushed me in a direction. It's helped me find my path.
Decided, come what may, to save that job, to take on my husband's role as crane driver at Nagle & Sons. I cut off my hair and altered my husband's clothes and pretended, in order to get through that first shift, that I'd fallen down the stairs. My bandaged head in a mask, so to speak, so my new colleagues could slowly get used to the different appearance of the crane driver Max Gerriker.
Don't speak about themselves until you put them into a mine for 6 days.
I thought the acting was superb and the story was marvellous.
Even some of the subjects they're kind of talking about are not dissimilar to events that's gone on in my life, in all fairness.
Fi rioed I clywed pobl mor ifanc yn creu sŵn mor aeddfed. Anodd credu, so rwy'n yn credu bod nhw mor ifanc, a bod nhw'n wirioneddol gwych. Bob un one jack anyn nhw.
Mae'n adio lot fwy o ran diwylliant Cymraeg.
Bod Cymru fach yn gallu creu rhywbeth arbennig ynde, ac mae hynod i bod yn dystiolaeth o hynny.
Beth oedd yn wych oedd gweld bod y ganolfan mor llawn a cymaint o Gymraeg yn cael ei siarad yn y gynulleidfa. Amazing.
Fantastic.
Please keep doing this. Do it every single year and I'll come every single time.
Gwefreiddiol.
Absolutely terrific.
The story was marvellous.
Fab. That's my entire statement. Anhygoel. Bendigedig.
Amazing acting.
To do it on this scale is just incredible.
Absolutely amazing. I was blown away.
Watch out what's going to happen in the next 10 years, X 10 years, X 10 years,